Hello students, the topic for today's discussion is Pochampalli. Pochampalli is chapter 23 of class 4 EVS under NCERT syllabus. Telangana is a state separate from the state of Andhra Pradesh, and Muktapur is a small town in Pochampalli where Pochampalli silk sarees are manufactured. We have a rich heritage of silk in India, especially in places like Mysore, Tanjavur, Banaras, Chanderi, Kanchipuram, etc. Pochampalli is used not only for making sarees but also for making frocks, dresses, lehenga cholis, etc. Pochampalli has been patronized by the government of India and has got a patent for making Pochampalli sarees. The learning outcomes on the chapter of Pochampalli are: 1. The student discusses cities and towns with handicraft traditions and appreciates it. 2. The student discusses handicrafts as a tradition. 3. The student appreciates handicrafts like silk weaving, pottery and vistara making. 4. The student learns to use natural resources for making utility items. 5. The student learns to use resources judiciously.
Hello students.
Hi ma'am.
Today we are going to discuss about a very special silk found in our country. Do your mother wear silk sarees?
Yes ma'am.
What are the type of silk sarees you have seen your mother wearing?
Kanjipuram silk, Mysuru silk, Chanderi silk, Banaras silk.
Okay, tell me from which states do we get this silk?
Kanjipuram is from Tamil Nadu. Mysuru silk is from Karnataka. Chanderi silk is from Madhya Pradesh. Banaras silk is from Uttar Pradesh.
Good. Every silk has its speciality. Kanchipuram silk has zari with silver threads dipped in gold and have a very tissue effect, while Mysuru silk is having golden zari.
Ma'am, why is silk production a handicraft?
It is a handicraft because it is found in the interior localities of the states and is made by artisans.
Ma'am, why is handicraft important?
It is important because it carries a tradition and culture and promotes the heritage, and also it is made in indigenous ways and it preserves our traditional handwork. So today we are going to discuss about a famous silk in the state of Telangana. Can you tell me what it is?
Pochampalli.
Good. It is Pochampalli. Can you tell me why it is named Pochampalli?
Ma'am, maybe because of the place. Maybe someone named Pochampalli started making sarees.
No, it is not the name of a person. It is the name of a town in Telangana which is famous for its weaving sarees. It has 80 villages under it whose main occupation is weaving silk sarees, which is 42 kilometers away from the Hyderabad, capital city of Telangana. Their main occupation is silk weaving, but they also have other crafts like vistaraku making and pottery.
Ma'am, what is so special about these sarees which make them so famous?
Pochampalli is famous for its tie-dye process, the designs they made on the sari, and also the different colors the sari is made up of. What is weaving?
Ma'am, it is a process of making sarees.
Weaving is a process in which cloth is made from threads. Example, in Muktapur we see colored threads are drawn into a beautiful sari. Pochampalli is a mixture of silk and cotton and is called Siko.
Ma'am, can you explain how these sarees are made?
Okay, let us see some pictures and videos and I'll explain you them. We'll know the process. Step 1. Threads are brought from Pochampalli town. Step 2. Threads are put in boiling water to wash away dirt and stain. Step 3. They dye the thread with bright colors. The colors used are obtained from natural products and plants. Step 4. Threads are dried and rolled into bundles. Step 5. The bundles are put in looms and cloth is woven. Step 6. Silk thread is used to produce silk cloth and saris, and cotton thread is used for cotton saris, sheets, clothes, etc.
Ma'am, where do cotton and silk come from?
Cotton comes from cotton farming, while silk comes from sericulture, that is silkworm. Silkworm lays some eggs which converts into 5 instar larvae and they form cocoon. Silk is obtained from this cocoon.
Ma'am, there are different beautiful designs in Pochampalli saris. How do they make them?
Looms have many needles. The size and the number changes according to the design. Ikat is a geometric design made using tie-dye process on the fabric.
Ma'am, why is Pochampalli town famous?
Weaving is the main occupation of Pochampalli town, and there are many heritage handicrafts in our country. Dharmavaram Pattu from Andhra Pradesh, Mysuru silk from Karnataka, Kanchivaram, Tamil Nadu, Kashmiri embroidery, Kashmir, Banaras silk, Uttar Pradesh. Mundu Veshti from Kerala. We are going to talk about revival tales of Weavers family in Pochampalli town. I'll narrate you a story about Weavers family in the Pochampalli town. Vani and Prasad belongs to a Weavers family in the Pochampalli town. They have seen their family doing weaving from generations to generations, like their grandparents, parents and relatives doing weaving as their main occupation. They also help their parents in the weaving process. Their house is filled with colorful threads rolled and bundled, and they have an asu which helps in weaving the sari.
Ma'am, who invented the machine?
They say that Mallesham is the person who invented this machine. He named this machine as Lakshmi's asu because he invented by seeing his mother's pain. This asu works with electric and mechanical power. He says that he invented this because his mother used to get a lot of pain by working with hand. Because weaving with hand gives a lot of pains to hands and also affects the spine. Mallesham is treated as a legend in the weavers community because he had made the weavers' work more easier. Can you find looms near your place?
No, ma'am.
Can you guess what is the reason behind the crisis of disappearing handicraft?
No, could you explain, ma'am?
Weavers are withdrawing their tradition because silk is expensive and they are getting very less amount for their work. So, they are moving to bigger cities for the work.
Ma'am, why do they get less amount when silk sarees are expensive?
They get less amount because those silk sarees are sold for higher prices. The shopkeepers give them a very little amount which is not sufficient for their livelihood. So, they move to the big cities for their work.
Ma'am, what is the possibility of avoiding this kind of problem?
Paying better price so that we don't lose the craft forever, and also giving recognition to the craft. Pochampalli Ikat, the famous designs are given the intellectual property rights under geographical indications in 2017. This is the first textile in India getting geographical branding.
Ma'am, what is so special about these sarees which make them so famous?
Pochampalli is famous for its tie-dye process, the designs they made on the sari, and also the different colors the sari is made up of. So, hope you children enjoyed the class, and I am going to conclude the class today.
Thank you, ma'am, for telling us about Pochampalli.
Indian culture has a rich tradition of handicrafts, especially silk. In a small town of Pochampalli, silk is manufactured using indigenous practices and indigenous raw materials like silk and cotton. There are many techniques available for making designs on silk, out of which Ikat is very important in Pochampalli, and that is why Pochampalli saris are so very precious. It so happens that the workers and the weavers who work to make these Pochampalli saris, they have less of income and they are facing tough competition from advanced technology outside, and therefore these workers and weavers are migrating to cities. It is very important that we preserve our tradition and culture, especially the handicrafts, by encouraging these weavers, increasing their income and thereby protecting our tradition of handicrafts. Thank you.